from curative to preventive to promotive health. So if you see from the perspective, background of this session actually. So if you see from the total life purpose, what the life is. So life is about achieving a certain level of happiness. And for that happiness, for that good level of living, then we adopt some kind of professional. The profession is for the life process.
Clapping does two things. It generates dopamine inside that makes you happy somewhere, and it also wakes you up. क्योंकि सुबह जल्दी जल्दी तैयार होके to reach here on time, so then once you reach here, then the mind relaxes. Okay, now I'm here, and then it initially goes
interconnectedness. So whatever we feel, the other person's everyone around us will feel the same way. For example, if I show this statement to you, I am always aware when to ask for help. And you have to come this tightly and
help us to really think about ourselves, also think about our team. So when our team struggles and when we are supposed to lead them, so there how we can contribute in their mental health, in their improvement in terms of their performance. So that was the idea. Also to bring synergy within the HOD level. And I think yes, these were the ideas. You talk about this program.
मुझे लगता है कि इस प्रोसेस के जो चेयरमैन हैं नारायण मूर्ति जी का वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस वाला जो फंडामेंटल स्टेटमेंट था, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ दिस कन्वर्सेशन इज नाउ started all around that, and work life integration is a very good way to take it forward. So my session, the session that we have today would be divided into two groups.